Before you start preparing for cassette, I would highly recommend you to study matriculation and PUC textbook for basic knowledge. That will help a lot to prepare for cassette and makes easy to connect with syllabus and to get prepared thoroughly. Hi, this is Soumya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss the glucose transporters. Before that, we will know what are uniporters are. Uniporters are these are also called as carrier proteins or you can say ion channels. Uniporters is a membrane transport protein that transports a single species of substrate. They may be charged or uncharged across a cell membrane. Okay, these are also called as facilitative transports or you can say passive diffusion, where there is no energy input is required and they solely rely on the diffusion gradient that is established either side of the membrane, where the concentration of ions is less moving where the concentration of ions is more from there to a lower concentration. That's how they're crossing the cell membrane or a plasma membrane. So the best example for this is glucose transporters. Glucose transporters are uniporter, where here the molecules or you can say these carrier proteins transport a single solute molecule in one direction across a plasma membrane. As you can see in the diagram, this is how the ions are moving from one concentration to the another concentration. That means from lower concentration, that means from higher concentration to the lower concentration across a plasma membrane in only one direction. That's how it is called as uniporter. Uni means single. Okay, so the best example for this, as I mentioned, glucose transporters. Glucose transporters are there are many glucose transporter. There are about 14 glucose transporters, and they have been classified into three classes, that is class 1, class 2, and class 3 glucose transporters. In short, these are also called as GLUTs, means glucose transporters. Okay, and here I have made the list of glucose transporters which are very important for the examination, and they have been asked in the examination. So I'm hoping this list will help you to recall all the important gluts which have asked in the examination. Here I will begin with the example and then location and then the function. Okay, now let's start with the first one, GLUT1. GLUT1, it is located on all mammalian tissues, and the coming to the function is basal uptake of glucose. Basal uptake of glucose means when there is a need of glucose, it is going to uptake the glucose. Means when there is a less glucose, when glucose is needed, that time it is going to take the glucose. Then next one, GLUT2, it is located in three locations, that is in pancreas, and second one is liver, and third one is small intestine. In pancreas, it promotes insulin secretion. In liver, it will removes the excess of glucose from the blood. In small intestine, it does the function as a absorption of glucose. And coming to the third one, that is GLUT3, it is located in the neurons. Okay, and the function here is that basal uptake of glucose. And the next one, GLUT4, it is located on the muscle and muscle adipose tissues. So coming to the function, it will helps in regulating the insulin. The next one, GLUT5, the coming to the location in the small intestine and on the sperm. And coming to the function, primarily it is a fructose transporter. So now we can see all the important gluts here. And remember glut 4 and the muscle, that is very important, that have been asked, and glut 1 and glut 2 as well. So these are obviously the list that I have made. These all of these are important. Try to remember these and answer the question in the KSET examination. I'm hoping that this video is helping you. If you learn something new from this video, if you gain some knowledge from this video, please do share and subscribe, and that will in turn encourage me to do more well. So thank you everyone.